person or that thing is in your life. Keeping your eyes closed. We're going to Om 3 times together. Would someone like to volunteer to lead us? In the Om? No? Okay. Start us off? Okay. Righteous is going to start us off. So we start by exhaling, pulling the stomach in slightly. Exhale. Inhale. And Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om peace, peace, peace. Take a moment. Look to this day, for it is life.
Look to this day, is life.
The very light of life.
The light of life.
In its brief course lie
In its brief course lie
all the verities
all the verities
and realities
and realities
of our existence.
of our existence,
The bliss of growth,
the bliss of growth,
the glory of action,
the glory of action,
splendor of beauty.
the splendor of beauty.
For yesterday is already a dream,
For yesterday is already a dream,
tomorrow only a vision.
and tomorrow only a vision.
Look well, therefore, to this day.
Look well, therefore, to this day.
Such is the salutation of the God in me is the God in you. There's only one. That's why we are one. Namaste. I see.